If your child still struggles to read or is not interested in reading, then this video is for you. Remember my last video on the 5-minute habit that every parent should do in order to help their child in their reading journey? A mom called me that she would love to try it out, and we decided to do it together. Watch what happens. What we're going to do today is we're going to practice the 5-minute habit using a storybook. I will give you the storybook and put you through the timeline. Is that fine?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, here is the book. We are reading Dear Zoo. Okay? So now for the next 2 to 4 minutes, you're going to flip through the pages. Don't read any print at all. Just go through it, talk about each picture there, and you can even talk about, because there are animals in there, the sounds they make. So just have a go enjoying the book with her. Let's go.
Okay.
The elephant is big, so big.
Wow. And you know what? When the elephant is walking, it goes boom, 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 boom. Yes, the elephant is big and it has what? How many legs does the elephant have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow. It has 4 legs and what else?
The horse.
The horse. Yay. And it has a very big
Ears.
yeah. It's
One,
very 2. Yeah. So what color is the elephant?
Gray.
Great. Good job. Let's see what we have here. What do we? Huh?
Giraffe.
It's a giraffe. And giraffe has a what? A long neck. Very, very long. And guess what? He uses his long neck to pick fruit from where? From the tree. Yes. So guess what we have here again? I can see his little eyes. Yeah. And the color is, and he has a little tail. See the tail here. And the color is
Yellow.
yellow. Good. What else does we see here?
A lion.
A lion. Lions. Can you tell me where lion stays?
Yeah.
Where?
He lives on a cave.
On it. Oh, that's good. Because it's what?
Scary.
It's caring. I don't think you like to see lion. Do you like seeing a lion?
No,
No, I don't like it myself.
I like to say elephant.
Oh, you like to say elephant. That's nice. But this lion, guess what? It makes it sound like
Rah!
very, very scary. And it's very, very, very scary. And it has a...
And the left said dangerous.
Yes, it's very, very dangerous. Oh, my princess. Very, very dangerous. Yeah, lion is very, very dangerous. So,
We have a camel.
wow, we have a camel here. And the camel has a what? A hunchback. And the hunchback uses his hunchback to carry what?
People.
Good girl. Good princess. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Should I help you?
Snake.
Ta-da! It's snakes. I don't like snakes. Do you like snakes?
Nope.
I don't like snakes.
Snakes is very scary.
It's also scary. I don't like it at all. And the snake has different colors. What color is that?
Green. I like green.
Oh, you like green?
Yes.
I like yellow.
Me too. I like
And the snake goes. "Sss, sss, sss." Oh, I don't like it at all.
green.
So let's see what we have here. I think this
It's a monkey.
is a monkey. Oh, monkey. Monkey likes eating what?
Banana.
Banana. And guess what? The monkey likes jumping from one tree to
Two.
Another.
Yay!
Lovely.
Well done, Ari. Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Would you like to read more of this?
Yes.
She wants to keep going on.
Yes.
Ari,
Yes, please.
how are you? Okay. I will be the one to ask you some questions for 1 minute. Okay. Can you tell me the animals you remember? Let's go.
Lion,
Lion,
frog,
frog,
snake,
snake,
camel.
camel. Okay, so you mentioned 4 animals. Do you want to try and think again? Which other animals in the book?
Monkey,
Monkey, good job.
dog,
A dog, very good.
a snake,
A snake, very good. High five, Ari. Okay, so mommy, you see, she was able to name more animals because we gave her more wait time. And what I did was I counted 5 seconds in my head, and in 5 seconds she was able to produce it.
That's good.
Did you notice what just happened? Exactly, the 5-second pause strategy.